The ATVMX season is done for 2021, so that means it is time for rebuilds. I got my YFZ450R sitting here, got me to 5th place overall in the plus 25 junior and production stock AB classes. One unfortunate thing, very sad to me, is the production stock classes will not be returning for 2022. But with that being said, no stock classes, why would I ride a stock bike? So it's time to make this thing an actual race quad. I got a lot of work to do, so let's get to it.
Relentless of blood in your hands. You want to have control over all the plans. Why don't you understand that you'll be powerless from the moment it comes to radio? You stay away. I am ready to lose my mind. Take them all down and burn like dynamite. Burn like dynamite. Why pretending to be alive if you can make it burn like dynamite? Burn like dynamite. 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 Just take a look around you, you're all alone. You slowly fade away, we're sitting on your throne. There's no sacrifice that could save your soul. This time you'll pay the price, 'cause we are all long gone. From the moment it comes to radio, you stay away. I am ready to lose my mind. Take them all down and burn like dynamite. Burn like dynamite. Why pretending to be alive if you can make it burn like dynamite? Burn like dynamite. Like the fire breaks the night, you're the one that press the light. Burst like dynamite.
Switch.
It is apart. So now I've got a whole heaping pile of parts to go over to Horkin Custom Concepts so I can put some new color on this thing. I also gotta get my shocks over to Doug Schultz Motorsports so I can get my MotoWaz shocks, front end and steering stabilizer back on this thing. Also get some parts in from Firepower Products, All Balls Racing, ODI, Two Brothers Power Sports, and Star Lake Fabrication. I've got a lot of work to do with this, so stay tuned. There'll be more videos. Thanks for watching.